Please listen to my question carefully. Who are they who have not yet menstruated?
Tell him, listen.
It doesn't say yet.
So what, let's read again. Let's read again. Pregnant women.
Yes, pregnant.
So you're saying pregnant women haven't menstruated is what you're saying.
That's why they're pregnant.
So in other words, to save Islam, you now need to become primitive, backward, and deny even basic scientific knowledge. That's what you have to do right now, yeah? Islam is a pedophilia ring. We're dealing with that. Islam is not just a sex cult. No, this is serious. Islam is not just a death cult, not just a sexual sex cult. It is also a pedophilia sex cult. We're dealing with some very serious issue right now. When did you really wake up that you suddenly realized 6-year-old children are eligible to be married? Where did you get this idea from? How old was Muhammad, by the way, at that time?
I have no idea because
But you're a Muslim,
Yeah, I'm a Muslim.
Yes, yes.
I don't know how old he was at the time, but he was older.
Very old man.
Okay, let's see.
It's
Let's see.
a terrible sex ring. You're a Muslim, so please tell me, sir, why is this? Why is Islam not a sex cult? Please explain.
Because, as Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, right, you can only have intercourse when you're married.
Excuse me, sir. Do you know that in Islam you can marry your daughter-in-law?
You can marry your cousin, yes.
Daughter-in-law.
You can marry your cousin, yes.
Daughter-in-law. Do you understand the word daughter-in-law?
You're a liar. Well, we'll prove it.
Do you? Oh, okay. So are you saying the Islam doesn't talk about marrying daughter-in-law?
You
Is that what you're saying?
can marry your
According to the Quran, do you know you can marry your daughter-in-law?
That's a lie.
According to the Quran, do you know you can marry a prepubescent child?
You're lying.
Prepubescent child, can you marry?
You can marry your cousin.
Prepubescent child, can you marry?
You can marry your cousin.
According to Islam, do you know that you can marry 4 women at a time? Do you know?
Yes,
You know this, yeah? And according to Islam, do you know that you can marry a prepubescent child?
you can't.
No, you can't.
You can't.
So the Quran doesn't. So if we read that, what would you do?
It has to be. It's not in the.
It's not in the Quran. So Surah, if we take Surah 65,
Yeah.
I think 65, let's see.
Jesus married 3-year-old. Moses married.
Look, I told you, the longer you stay here, medicines won't help you. So please move on. Please move on.
Tell lies,
No.
lies.
So you want to
No,
speak
no.
because Muhammad married a 9-year-old.
No. I'm talking about the Quran right now.
The Quran itself.
No one has a clue if even Muhammad existed. So don't talk about Muhammad. I'm talking about the Quran right
Muhammad
now.
was there, and according to the Roman scriptures, in their scriptures they wrote about Muhammad's people.
Which Roman scripture wrote about
You
Muhammad?
can see.
Anyway, let's read this first and then we'll talk about other nonsense later.
Okay, where? Let me-
So,
Where?
Surah 65.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the name of Surah? What's the name of Surah?
Surah Al-Talaq.
Okay.
Surah Al-Talaq 65. I'll get it in Arabic, the original. Okay, which verse?
65 ayah 4.
4. Okay. I'll get it here. Okay, here it says.
Okay. Which?
Surah 65 ayah 4.
يأسن من المحيض من نسائكم إن ارتبتم فعدتهن 3 أشهر واللائي لم يحضن وأولات الأحمال أجلهن أن يضعن حملهن ومن
Why are you wasting your time on him?
No, he is an afraid man. Can you see him wearing sunglasses on this day? So you know already he is terribly afraid. He doesn't want to show his eyes even today.
He's saying we can marry pubescent children in the Quran.
Prepubescent. It's not just you can marry, you can even divorce them. Prepubescent child you can divorce. Let's read.
Does he know?
He doesn't know how to read.
Is the Quran word of Allah first? Okay.
He doesn't know how to read, so ignore. 65
He doesn't believe that. I don't need
the
to.
Quran.
Surah, you can read, can't you?
Yeah.
You can read. Surah 65, ayah 4. What did you read?
Okay.
What
ولم
ذاكر نايم.
يحضن
What ذاكر
وأولات
نايم.
الأحمال أجلهن أن يضعن
If you've taken dope, yeah, watch
Hey,
Zakir
have
Naik,
improvement
please.
from
Okay.
65 4. What is
Okay.
it? 1 second, sir. Let's,
Here.
Watch,
65.
Here was
watch,
the answer.
Zakir Naik.
excuse me, sir. Pay attention here. We are dealing with the sex cult pedophilia ring. Yeah, please. Those who no longer expect, please.
Okay,
What does it say? Those who no longer expect menstruation among
Yeah.
your women, if you doubt, then their period is 3 months. And those who have not menstruated.
Yeah, let me tell you.
So no, you don't have to tell. You were afraid earlier. Please stay quiet. The gentleman is reading now. So it's talking about divorce, the time you wait for divorcing.
Yes.
And he's saying those who haven't menstruated. Who are those who haven't menstruated?
Okay, it is the
Maybe
woman.
after wish اسمه هذاك.
Bro, it is the,
Wish
it is
comes
the
out.
woman that around 12 to 15. If you look at the period age, is around 12 to 15.
He is speaking. He is the one who has read the verse. He is speaking right
No
now.
problem, his English little bit.
He has wonderful English.
you
Don't
look- if
worry.
you look at the
Your
people-
English is terrible. Please wait there, sir.
Listen,
Thank you.
Okay.
The woman-
It's saying.
I'm telling the women, they menstruate from the age of 12
Please,
to
please.
15.
ذاكر نايك.
Yeah.
Age
Can you
12
see,
to
can you
15.
see his ba-
Yeah.
Do you think he knows anything?
Truth.
Do you think he knows anything?
know the truth.
He looks a bit clueless, doesn't he? Please, you
ذاكر
stay.
نايك. Say ذاكر نايك. You know the truth, but you hide it.
The cafe is there.
Allah
Please
say
go.
that.
Get some coffee, please.
Allah say
Warm your
that.
body. Warm your body.
Allah say that.
this-
You know the truth. Islam is the truth.
Stay quiet, stay
Religion.
quiet. خليني أكلمه.
You know-
We are trying to
you know that
advance.
religion is
We're not regressing. We're trying to advance. Please, stay
Say
focused.
ذاكر نايك.
Please, please.
You know the truth,
Okay.
guys. You
Yes,
know the-
I know the truth. Zakir Naik is confused, mentally ill, in an asylum somewhere.
Okay.
I'll come and help him later, please.
This verse doesn't say anything about marrying pubescent children.
Let's read. So, Surah Al Talaq. What does the word talaq mean?
Talaq, divorce.
Yeah. So this is a chapter which deals with how to divorce people. Yeah.
Yes.
That's what the chapter is about. Now, it's now giving you the timeline for divorcing.
Yeah, when you divorce-
And while giving the timeline for divorcing, in the middle of that, now it provides some specific cases. In verse 4, Surah 65, verse 4, it says, those who no longer expect menstruation, you know, those who are old, very old, they don't expect menstruation anymore among your women, then in their case, you need to wait for 3 months. Yeah. If you doubt, then their period is 3 months. And those who have not menstruated. Now, who among women are not yet menstruated? Who are they?
No, it is
You
the-
tell me, sir.
It is women.
Yeah, you stay quiet, sir. You're a bit confused, please. We're talking to him. Yeah.
Pregnant.
It is regarding of the woman. Okay, after divorcing, they need to wait for 3 months.
Excuse me, sir. Please answer my question.
here.
Who are those who haven't menstruated yet? Who are they?
The women that are pregnant, it says.
No, please stay focused. Answer my question. Who are they who haven't yet menstruated?
Pregnant women. It
Pregnant.
says-
Are you listening right now?
Yeah, it is.
Listen to me. Every word is important, please. Every word is important.
I'm telling
Once,
you.
please listen to my question carefully. Who are they who have not yet menstruated?
Tell him, listen.
It doesn't say yet.
So what? Let's read again.
Here,
So
this
deal
one.
to no.
This is-
No. Wait. Let's
This
read.
one. That translation might be false. I don't know, but this translation, look. And for-
Excuse me, sir. Are you saying Sahih International is not the Quran? Is that what you're saying?
I'm saying that translation might be.
No. Wait a second. Do you know about the Sahih International translation?
Yes,
Wait,
he's wrong.
yes.
He's wrong.
No, he is confused
Yes,
here. Please.
Because to understand the Quran, it must be read in its original Arabic form. And these English.
Okay, let me please help me understand.
I'm
So,
telling you.
One second.
Look at this one. I have the translation here.
One second. Look, what we'll do two things now.
Let me explain.
One second.
Okay, let me
No,
explain.
wow.
I'll listen to you.
Excuse
I'll
me, sir.
listen to you.
Wait,
Let me explain.
we're going to do two things right now. Okay?
Which is?
I'm going to read the English again,
Okay.
and then I'm going to show you the Arabic word for word translation. Yeah, so you don't have any place to hide. Yeah. Now tell me. I asked you a question earlier. You haven't answered it. It talks about those who have not menstruated. And I asked you a question earlier. He is afraid, so he doesn't answer. Is that your friend?
I will.
Yes,
I'll answer.
Brother.
Those who have not menstruated yet, who are they?
Pregnant women.
Pregnant.
Listen to me again.
Pregnant women.
Maybe you're not hearing the entire statement.
Pregnant women have periods. Pregnant women.
Okay. Menstruated. Those who have not menstruated. Okay. Pregnant women.
Yes, pregnant.
So you're saying pregnant women haven't menstruated is what you're saying.
That's why they're pregnant.
So in other words, to save Islam, you now need to become primitive, backward, and deny even basic scientific knowledge. That's what you have to do right now, yeah? Excuse me, sir, please listen. No, your friend is helping now. What he is saying is, he is essentially implying, to save the Quran, we have to deny scientific knowledge, have to act a little bit foolish, and have to essentially walk around like someone who doesn't have a clue. That's what he is doing right now. Even though he could make sense. My point I'm saying is very simply, if anyone knows If anyone knows, my dear friend, please stay.
Let him.
Yeah, absolutely. The gentleman. Are you a Muslim also, sir?
No, I'm not Muslim.
No, you're not. Please join in. We're dealing with how Islam is a pedophilia ring. We're dealing with that. Islam is not just a sex cult. No, this is serious. Islam is not just a death cult, not just a sexual sex cult. It is also a pedophilia sex cult. We're dealing with some very serious issue right now.
What's pedophilic about Islam?
Well, if you want to get married to someone who hasn't had menstruation yet, which is a baby, a child, and you dare even to go on to talk about divorcing her, this is not just a pedophilia ring. This is an extremely abusive pedophilia ring.
Give me an example of someone marrying a prepubescent child.
Well, do you really need an example? Are you
Give me an
serious?
example.
Good
Give me an
voice.
example.
How about thinking about someone who married a 6-year-old?
In Arabic society, you don't see these things happening.
In Arabic, who was Muhammad then? Was he Arabic or was he French?
I'm saying in current society, do you see?
No, wait. Was Muhammad an Arab?
Yes,
Was he part of the Arabic society?
Okay, yes.
Did he get married to a 6-year-old?
he didn't. It was
He
a
did not.
9-year-old.
Okay, that's fine. No. Whoa.
You don't let me-
You would deny the obvious. So,
Let me-
my dear friends, how many?
Let me reply to you.
Yeah, oh.
Let me reply to
Okay,
you.
now.
Okay, you're saying it's a. Okay,
Please.
Okay,
You have the right to reply because we're dealing with a serious problem. You are on the dock. We are dealing with pedophilia, so we need to give you right of reply, please. Yeah, go
Okay.
on.
So I was talking about Arab current society. If you want to speak about the past, in the past, women were different. It was normal in that time.
In the past?
Yes.
Yeah.
1400 years ago is not the same as now.
So 6-year-old child, 1400 years ago, what was she? Superwoman?
When the woman hit the age of puberty, yeah,
That's when
she's okay to get married.
Yes.
At those times,
okay.
at those times,
Yeah.
yeah,
Women
it
are
was okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now, okay, things have been changed. Women get the age of puberty.
Are you hearing right now? Please listen here, please. You see, earlier, to justify something really terrible and wicked, he had to act like he didn't have a clue. Now he has to act as if he is a liar. What did we read here? Prepubescent. Those who have not menstruated. What is the term? Is that pubescent or prepubescent? What is that?
Before that.
If you haven't menstruated it, good. So that's prepubescent. So don't even talk about prepubescent.
prepubescent.
Okay, now two things. I'm going to ask you two specific questions, yeah? Number one, Islam is not just a regular pedophilia ring. It's a terrible pedophilia ring in that
your priest?
it wants to get married to
What about your priest?
prepubescent children and want to divorce them. Number one.
Churches are
Number one.
church, the Pope
Number
has
two,
found.
the second question is, when did you really wake up that you suddenly realized 6-year-old children are eligible to be married? Where did you get this idea from? How old was Muhammad, by the way, at that time?
I have no idea because
But you're a Muslim.
yeah, I'm a Muslim.
Yes.
Okay.
So
I-
look, he is looking at you. He is trying to see
I
if you
don't-
can help.
Okay, wait,
Look
wait.
at him.
I don't know how old he was at the time, but he was older.
Very old man.
Okay, let's say-
Very.
let's
it's
say
a
he was
terrible
old.
sex ring.
Okay, let's say that was old. This young woman, did she go through puberty?
6-year-old child? You tell me.
Yes.
When on earth did anyone who is 6-year-old had puberty? When?
No.
Exactly,
Long
so
time
how do
ago.
you
Look.
How do you know the biological state of women back
Okay,
then?
let me ask you.
It's different.
Let me ask you.
It's not the same
Let
now.
me ask you. How old are you?
17.
You are 17, yeah?
Yeah.
When you were 6-year-old, what did you want to do?
I don't know.
You tell me, please. When you were 6-year-old, what did you want to do? Where did you live?
Watch TV.
Do you remember
You know
roughly?
exactly like he's trying to do. Okay.
I'm trying to
He's
make sense. Don't listen.
Okay. He's trying to do for you to tell him that a 6-year-old is normal to play video games. Yes.
You see?
Yes.
Look.
Yes. Yes.
Now,
That's exactly
earlier,
Is that what you're trying to do?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because
excuse me, sir.
The
Please,
people-
please,
the
excuse me,
people
sir.
long
Look,
time
please.
ago-
I am a Christian. This is a very serious subject.
Okay.
Please don't joke with me around this, okay?
You told me just now.
A 6-year-old child.
right?
Look,
We just
please,
have-
listen, please listen.
We're just talking
Please
here.
listen, please
Go
listen.
ahead.
I know. But instead of dealing with the serious issue
Okay.
and agreeing that this is in fact a pedophilia ring, you're now trying to escape by mocking and joking.
No.
Not a good idea.
Not at all.
Excuse me, sir. How old are you, sir?
I'm 30.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have children?
Yes.
How old? Do you have any girl?
Yes.
How old is your girl? Or one of your girls?
3 years old. About
3 years old.
Yes.
In 3 years, in 3 more years, I don't even want to make it personal to you, you know.
Okay.
Because in my mind,
Okay.
talking about a 6-year-old getting married is abominable.
Okay.
So I don't even want you to feel uncomfortable when I ask a question. In 3 years, would you like your child to be taken away as a bride by
Okay.
someone? You see?
Okay.
That's
Now-
how terrible it is.
Now, let's start about 6 years old, right?
Yeah.
6 years old, yeah. Habib, tell me like if I'm wrong, brother.
Speak to
yeah?
me, please speak to me.
me
In
like
six,
you're-
a 6-year-old child, do you have any evidence that at any point in history, a 6-year-old child was a woman worthy of getting married, especially to a very old man?
Now, before Becca time, yeah, way back, it was 6 years old when if a girl hit the age of puberty, it's okay to get married.
I'm
right?
asking a specific question,
Yes.
please.
At 6
Do you
years
have,
old,
do you have,
if
one
you're
second,
minister,
please,
you
one
don't
second.
get- you
No,
don't-
excuse me,
you
sir,
don't
one
get on
second.
your period.
Do you know of any culture at any point, please listen to my question carefully. Do you know of any culture at any point in time for which you have the record to suggest a 6-year-old child was ready to get married to an old man? Any record anywhere?
And a record
Yeah.
in the time of history. Yes.
Any historical evidence? Because you're living in a delusionary world that you're saying something happened like this in the past. I'd like you to give me some historical record for that.
historical record for that.
Yeah.
There is no historical record for that.
Yeah.
Okay, that I'm aware of it.
Sure.
But as I know, as if a female hit the age
No, if
of,
you don't have historical record, please
Okay.
wait. If you don't have
I
historical,
don't.
no,
I don't.
Okay, good.
I don't.
Sure.
But if a female hit the age of puberty, she's allowed to get married.
6-year-old child. See, wait, I'm talking about 6-year-old. I don't know why you're desperate about puberty. I really don't know.
Yeah.
I'm asking you.
because-
6-year-old.
Wait, I'm asking you a question. Are you
Because
saying a
that's all
6-year-old
child
child can't go through puberty?
Excuse me.
Answer,
Look,
answer. Why are you
Answer.
judging it? Why you
I'm
judging
listening.
it?
Yes, sir.
I'm answering right now. Please
point.
listen. Please
Good
listen.
point.
I'm answering right now. I am dealing with serious issues in life, and you want to play pub quiz. Do I know? Don't I know? Please listen. Please listen.
Sorry.
Please listen.
I
Please
asked you a
listen.
question.
Please.
I asked you a question.
Please
I
listen.
would like
Please
an
listen.
answer. I
Please
would like
listen.
an answer.
Please listen. Please listen. Please listen. Please listen. If anyone were to come to me and tell me while I am following a person who got married to a 6-year-old child and challenged me in a public place like Speaker's Corner, instead of asking or in a pub quiz questions and so on, you know what I would do? You know what I would do?
You
I would say,
refusing to
look,
answer the question.
I
That's
would
what
say-
you do.
I
You
would
would
say-
refuse to answer the question.
I would say
You're
this.
refusing to answer my question.
I'm not like you. I am a Christian. I would say this is time to wake up. Look, one second.
Thank you, sir, for your
Now, one second. Let me finish now. You know, Jesus Christ, on the other hand, I am a Christian.
He married a-
Jesus Christ, on the other hand, was so noble that he came to this world for the purpose of saving you and saving
only
him.
came for the lost tribe of
One
Israel.
second, please.
Why
Excuse me,
lie?
sir. You're a bit confused. Please wait.
You're
We'll deal with you later.
Jesus
Now,
never came for you.
the thing is.
Jesus said, stay away from the
One
Gentiles.
second. Now, Jesus came so you may leave your confusion and be saved. He was so focused on his purpose, which is eternal redemption, that he did not even have time to get married to one eligible, similar aged person. Now, that is a person worthy of respect. Not someone who was going around trying to find out who to get married to next, which 6-year-old child will fall for me, and so on. Now, this is very important.
Okay,
Now,
okay,
I
I have a
want you,
question.
I want
have
you
a
to,
question about
one
the
second, I want you to take this in and think about this seriously. If not now, but when you leave Islam, don't tell anyone. I know this is a shameful thing, and therefore
No, it's
you would,
not.
if you think through this carefully, you will leave Islam. If you think through carefully.
Because Christianity and the Bible is a corrupt book.
No, ignore nonsensical points. Ignore nonsensical point. Excuse me, sir. Ignore.
Change.
Look, I am talking about a
It
pedophile.
changed a lot of times.
Are you saying you will?
Bible book has been changed a lot of times.
Are you
That's
saying-
why,
one
okay,
second.
it's a corrupt book.
One second.
There is a
Are
lot
you-
of contradiction.
are you
in it.
saying- are you
There's
saying-
a lot of contradiction in the
Are you saying?
Bible.
One second. Are you saying you are happy to follow a pedophilia ring? Is that what you're saying?
Islam is not about pedophilia.
Finding prepubescent children
It is
to
not.
get married to and divorcing is abominable.
It is not.
Please leave
not.
Islam at the earliest. But when you leave Islam, one second.
your thought.
When you leave,
That is
what's your
like
name?
stuck in your
What's your
brain.
name? What's your name?
My name is Mu'tasim.
Mohta?
Mu'tasim.
Mohatasam.
Yeah.
What's your name?
John.
John. Mohatasam. Mohatasam. When you leave Islam, don't even tell him.
Why?
When you leave Islam, don't even tell
I'm
him.
not leaving
Okay?
Islam.
You know what?
Leave
You
Islam,
know
but
what?
don't tell
You-
anyone
you-
else.
you-
We will
Because
welcome you. We will welcome
you know why?
to Islam.
You know why?
We will welcome you to Islam.
I don't want to be confused. No, I don't.
want you
I
to
would
come to
never
Islam.
follow a
We want you to
pedophilia
come
ring.
to Islam.
A sex cult, pedophilia ring. Never interested. Not interested.
No?
Look.
It's not?
Do I look like a? What do I look like? Look.
You look Indian.
Yeah, good. That's good. Now, this is serious stuff. Leave the pedophilia ring before they catch you. Okay?
Are you a YouTuber? Wait, I want your YouTube channel. What's your-
Operation Stephen, leave pedophilia ring, leave the sex cult, and
We'll
come
invite
follow
you.
the precious
We'll invite
Lord
you to
Jesus
Islam.
Christ.
We'll invite
Very
you to
important.
Islam.
Operation
Good to see
Stephen.
you.